and the other 16, they decided to quit their job and provide more spaces for you to come in, because we are going to make sure that we capture all the seats. Is that clear?
Comrade SG, now, who are the 16 that you can know?
It is very, very difficult now for me to know everything, everybody at heart. But if you come to the office to get the names, that I can tell you. If you could have asked me a little bit later, then I could have just read that for you. But come to the office, then you'll be getting those names. Any other question?
Well, Joseph from Africa TV, what is the SG stand on the fact that that article is sort of being violated all these years? Is that it?
Who violated it?
What is the SG's response?
Who violated it?
What?
No, I also have the right to ask questions. Who violated it?
They are saying certain members of political parties.
Certain. I'm not certain. And I was not there.
Okay.
Any other question?
Enough.
No question.
Enough question, yeah? Good.
Thank you.
Thank you, my dear.
You have to prepare yourselves because we have to come and take over.